forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. On TV, it's the Patriot Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, CS Galaxy 1. I'm joined by Usens.
Hola, Stibo, nama fans wethu.
Okay.
Ndishabra njani.
Usibihle indoda.
Ndikhona kodwa manje cha uyazi kubhizi.
Ngiyakuthola.
Ndihlala ndifika kune line uthola ukuthi anasi isikhathi.
Ngiyakubamba
nje. Ngijabulela ixesha engilifumeneyo. Stibo mandize gaming.
Khulu.
iPirates ayidlalanga namhlanje.
Yeah.
Okokuqala into ebangela into bingadlali. Size kule game sesigqibile iposition sesisafe ngayo iposition 2 so into ebendi-expectile coach wethu anikeze amanye ama-players i-chance i-season players bekumlazidlalanga namhlanje abohoto abochayini fanele baphumulile kufakwe abafana abancane owazola Thobeni badeserve a-chance odestin badeserve a-chance kule 4 games esele siya-expect amanye ama-players akungathi ezosidlula ku-number 2 sesisafe for i-Champions League
ngiyakubamba
so ucoach going forward makayenze loo nto because siwinile siluzile kuyafana
iligi
seyiphelile iligi seyigqibezela nje amagame so entweni ezizincinci makazifake kwenze azobona ukuthi next season angabadlalisa na for i-competition
injalo
into basidlalisa ama-season players ngegame ezingasekho akusancedi so xa ndiza kwi-issue kacoach Steve mna ngokwami guys sorry kancinci mandicela nimamele mna ngokwami uJose Rivero uyenzile ifoundation so icoach esiyidinga yedlala ibhola ehleli phansi so i-candidates zami nazo uBeni ngomnye wazo uRulani ngomnye wazo ngabo then uncikazi bangambeki kude if singafumana omnye wezo coaches ngicela iPirates ingacompete for iSundowns next season injalo Sithipho
unabani mfuni
uright natural unaba simfuni if besingabenzelelanga sibanikeza Nedbank ngabe uhambile unathi but sithe masibanike nje okuba bamele into smile in 10 years bengawini cup hayi sathi masibanikeze Nedbank bajabulile namanje jabulela kakhulu
thank you Pakani